In this video, I want to elaborate on why designing the metric is very difficult. To recall the task we're trying to do, here we have three different patterns of how the ants gather food. Each of them are quite distinctive. The first one is getting food one by one. The second one is getting two piles of food at the same time. The third one is getting three piles of food at the same time. So they are quite distinct patterns. And I want to use a single metric at the end of each experiment to tell me in this model, in this experiment, we are having pattern 1 or pattern 2 or pattern 3. That is my goal. However, I can foresee such a metric is quite difficult to create. Why? Because look here, I have plotted when and how fast each pile of food decrease by number. Also this one. The two piles of food will decrease together because they are consuming at the same time. And this one, three of them will decrease together because they are the ants gathering the three piles of food at the same time. So as time goes, the pile of food decrease in different order. And it is not a single value. It is a series of value over a period of time. In this way, we may be able to distinguish by three lines. This line show me, well, we get one pile at first, and then second pile, and then third pile. And this graph show me I get two piles of food at the same time. And this shows me we get three piles of food at the same time. Okay, by observing this graph as a whole, I can tell, yes, there are three different patterns. But in order to do the parameter search, I have to run, as we recall, 28,800 experiments. And I'm not going to read 28,800 multiply three graphs like this and then count them. That's just too tedious. I want to build a metric through the iteration while examining this graph on its own, and then give me a number saying, okay, this is, say, pattern 1 probably. Well, it can be a continuous number. It doesn't have to be type 1, type 2, or type 3, because I can accept that for certain range of values, type 1 pattern appear, and then for another range, type 2, another range, type 3. So like this one. The M is our metric. For pattern 1, probably M is smaller than certain value, certain threshold A. For pattern 2, maybe greater than certain threshold B. And for pattern 3, maybe it's between threshold A and B. This is just an arbitrary number. I don't know what they are, but that's exactly what M should perform for me to read this pattern and give me a single value. I think this is quite hard. I don't know how to do it. Do you?